welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am getting ready to pack for, or actually I'm getting ready to look for a suitcase for my 3-day vacation to Las Vegas. Over the years, I've collected a few suitcases. This is just what we can see. And I got to try to take them out and see which one I want to carry with me. Here are a few more. And inside these two suitcases here, the blue one and the gray one, are other suitcases. It was kind of like a 3-piece set. You got the big one, you got the small one, and then a cosmetic case. I don't wear makeup, so that was just something, but it was a good deal. It's a blessing and a curse. I don't know how many are in there, but I'm going to find out. I may have to give some away. We'll see. That wore me out. I'm not gonna lie. Had to get a donut. Okay, good morning. It's the day we leave for vacation. I'm a last minute packer. And I'm a too much packer. So I'm gonna bring more than I need. Basically, I have jeans, t-shirts, and sweaters. And I guess that's okay. I think this is black and blue. My daughter gave me some N95s, which I'm going to wear on the plane. I have a couple of bottles of hand sanitizer, 97 cents I think. Whatever I don't have, I won't have.